Okay, good day, gentlemen. This illustration is to show us how to reset moderate sensor to 4 milliamps for instrument engineers. So, but before you calibrate to zero, you must make sure that your differential plates are very clean. The two of them, the both lower and the upper template, are very clean. Then you stand the sensor erect. Then when you stand the sensor erect, you now come here. But before you touch, come and you assuming your current is not okay, it's not showing 4.02, maybe it's showing 5.76. So you need to take it to 4.00. So you come here and you see one central button. This is not the one on the left and right, the center one. You press it, okay? You can see it's showing 0.0, then you press it again. You press it again. So once you press it again, then it has acknowledged it. You press it like 2 times. Then with that, you have your 0.4 milliamps on the screen. So with that 4 milliamps, you calibrate that 4 milliamps with reference to the air density, which I said is 0.0102 ppg. So that means you have taken care of your low calibration. Then you now put the sensor inside mud. You put it inside the mud, maybe by the degasser that we discussed. You put it inside the mud, then you now take the exact value, the exact current that is giving you, you calibrate it against the mud weight that the rig is using as a standard weight. Then from there you have gotten your two, both up and the low and the high calibration. Then you can now extrapolate to 20 milliamps and calculate that one mathematically and get the corresponding value of 20 milliamps. And that's all. Thank you very much.